What'd you do this weekend, buddy?
We didn't do a lot. We just kind of laid low this weekend.
Sounds exciting. Thanks for asking what I did.
Huge weekend. Got my new Hump Optics ski goggles, man. Lit, man. I love them, man. It was awesome. I got 2 words for you. Hot tub!
Yeah, 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 yeah. I was just a glimmer back in 69. Yeah, 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 yeah. Thank you.
Mail call. Hump Optics ski goggles. Some of the best sunglasses and ski goggles in the world. The package has arrived. Let's get ready for the unboxing. Hump Optics, got my name on it. Crack this open. Love the bubble wrap. Here it is. Nice case. Liking the case. Look at that right there. Heavy duty, man. This is well put together. Humps, hump. Open this thing up here. Hump. It looks like we have a lens here. We have the goggle here. We've got a little sock. There it is. Hump Optics. Also got a little chamois here. Let's crack this thing open right here. So this is a lens. Little film here you're gonna take off. And the claim to fame with these things is they're magnetic. I can actually feel that thing. It's actually magnetic. It is attaching itself. This is what you do. You take this right behind in here, and all you do is pop that out. Pop that out there like that. Take the next lens and pop it in. Humps, hump. So these are the bubble frame series. They're polarized, UVA, UVB resistant, scratch resistant, fully magnetized design for very easy change. You have the black one right here, and this one's used in very sunny conditions. This one would be used foggy conditions, whiteout conditions when it's snowing. So you've got 2 options, magnetic, they are polarized, they're scratch resistant, they're anti-fog. This is the bubble series. This looks pretty good. Hump Optic. Humps, hump. You gotta get out more, man. Is that right? Sweat. Well, that's something else, let me tell you. I got 2 words for you. Hot tub. Sounds exciting. Man, these things are awesome. I'm happy for you. You gotta check these things out. I should really get out more often.
You want to check them out?
It's come a long way, let me tell you. It's come a long way. You wanna try them, man? You wanna try them? The technology. Oh. You wanna try them, man? You wanna? When I tried them on, I really wanna try them? I guess I would try them on. You wanna try them, man? You wanna try? You really wanna try them? I guess I would try. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. I'll try them on. Humps, hump. Alright. Pop that thing out. Depending on the conditions. Oh. Took skiing to another level. And I have a little taste of what I saw over the weekend. Some virtual reality. Hump Optics.
It's magnetic. Oh, that's nice. Wow.
That's something else, let me tell you. Well, well.